Oh, you look gorgeous.
Yeah, boy.
You look too gorgeous. May I know your name? Your name? Leah. Oh, that's too tough to call. Can I call you baby?
A few moments later.
Can I call you my baby?
A baby boy. Oh, it's too much. Anyways, nice to meeting you.
No, friend, no, don't leave me.
I will fly from here to there to meet you.
Yeah.
Definitely. Where is your location? Where is your location? Need to call the taxi from here right now. And I need to arrange a flight to visit your home. Oh, don't look me like that. I'm falling. I'm falling.
Follow me. Follow me.
Yeah, tell me your name. Tell me your name. I will follow you.
I have a fake account. It's in.
Fake account. You have a fake account. Tell me the name. Tell me the fake
No,
account name.
follow me. Just follow me up.
That's fine. Anyways, I will follow you right now. We'll talk later. We'll talk later. Man, that was like something else.
You can do it, Goku! Gohan, Chi-Chi, everyone on Earth, and the future of Namek!